We're in Antarctica, and this is definitely not what we expected. It's a strange place, both familiar and completely alien. You can sleep, but it's never dark. You can't grow food, but you can call for a pizza 24/7. This is the world's most remote natural laboratory, home to penguins, seals, a weird glacier that seems to spew blood, and a fiery, active volcano. And right now, I'm stuck under a snowmobile, wondering how I ended up here with this impossibly upbeat guy. Normally, I'm a science documentary producer for Nova. We're working on an epic special called Polar Extremes, about the climate history of our planet's poles. And it got us wondering, how do scientists figure all this stuff out? What does it take to live and work in these crazy remote regions? Well, there's only one way to find out. My name is Arlo, I make web pages for Nova, and this is my first field assignment. Follow the trail of scientists to the most remote place on Earth and stay there for a month. Sounds fun! First off, New Zealand, where everyone heading south gears up for the cold. It's the biggest winter closet in the world. They gave us giant red parkas, clown boots, and even snug wiper gloves. I am not built for -50. Living 16 years in Mexico doesn't really give you experience with snow. There are no commercial flights where we're going, so we get to fly in a U.S. Air Force C-17. Operation Deep Freeze provides transport to the continent. It's more than just a flight, it's a portal to another realm. There are no windows in the cargo hold. But when we head up to the cockpit, we catch our first glimpse of Antarctica. Patchy sea ice gives way to desolate snow-covered mountains. Soon, we land on what feels like another planet. As the C-17 doors open, colder air blasts in. You can actually see it. We step out onto the ice, and in the distance are these monstrous vehicles. It's a scene straight out of Star Wars. We've arrived, and it is truly awesome. We're met by Elaine, our Antarctic mom, who shows us to our new home, McMurdo Station, the U.S. Antarctic Program's base of operations. It was built in 1955, the southernmost point you can sail a ship. McMurdo has about 900 people in the summer. With a post-apocalyptic vibe, it feels like you're in another world. We're given a lab space, and just like everyone else, before we can do what we came here to do, we've got to learn how to live down here. Our classes are Snowmobiles 101 and Intro to Not Falling Down an Ice Crack. The reality of just how extreme this environment is starts to sink in. People have gotten lost in whiteouts and died of exposure. The weather can turn in minutes, with wind chill down to -50. It really hits us. There are a lot of ways we can die down here. While in college, it felt like my life depended on doing well in class. Now it actually does. When I first got here, I felt on top of the world, but now it feels more like the bottom. Training and bad weather have kept us stuck near the station. The sun has never set, but our time is slipping away. I'm exhausted, disoriented, and I feel like we're just stuck checking camera gear. We haven't filmed a single scientific sequence. I'm starting to think I can't do this. But then I realize this feeling is totally normal. One person told us, it's miserable in the most inspiring way. It's the hardest thing I'd ever done in the most beautiful place I could imagine. We're surrounded by remarkable people who have all gone through this. Because it's so challenging, there are still so many unanswered questions. It's truly a frontier. We came here to join them. We will soar through majestic valleys that scientists use as an analog for other planets. We'll plunge to the depths of the icy ocean with a robot to help figure out how fast sea level will rise. We'll meet baby seals and learn how they survive. We'll investigate a mysterious glacier called Blood Falls and fly to the top of an active volcano. And since we brought a 360 camera, when we meet the penguins, you will too. We're not just following the trail of scientists, we're in their shoes. Literally, there's this really tight-knit community, like a weird, cold, icy family, which means we've got to get these snowmobiles out. Antarctica, here we come. Thanks for watching. Follow us to see what happens next.